The overall goal of this procedure is to replace the bone marrow compartment of recipient mice with bone marrow cells from donor mice ubiquitously expressing green fluorescent protein in the absence of irradiation. This is accomplished by first conditioning the recipient mouse with serial intraperitoneal injections of the myelosuppressive compound Busulfan. Next, bone marrow cells are isolated from the femurs and tibiae of a donor mouse ubiquitously expressing green fluorescent protein. Finally, donor bone marrow cells are transplanted into the conditioned recipient mouse via a tail vein injection. Ultimately, blood is collected from the transplanted mouse and analyzed by flow cytometry to estimate the extent of bone marrow chimerism.
The main advantages of this technique over existing methods like total body irradiation is that a high degree of bone marrow chimerism can be established without the cytotoxic effects of total body irradiation and without the need for specialized facilities and equipment.
Not only does this method allow insight into the accumulation of bone marrow-derived cells into the central nervous system, but it can also be used to study such research topics as hematopoietic lineage development, immunobiology, and leukemia.
To condition recipient mice, prepare diluted busulfan according to the text protocol and use IP injection to administer 20 mg per kilogram to recipient mice daily. After euthanizing the mice according to institute